Hello mga kasansi at mabuhay! Maligayang araw ng kalayaan! Isang panibagong episode naman po ang inyong matutunghayan on our year 2.
Salam, Shlonek, Shakbarek, Shaalumek, kay Palhal. Marhaba to all our kasansi out there. It's another Friday again with full of love, happiness, and excitement. Only here at
Sam!
and Quiz, the podcast.
As alright, yes, happy Independence Day. Yes,
Yes.
so celebrating the 127 of the Philippines freedom.
And it's a series of celebrations.
Yes, at ito na nga talaga napaka-busy natin ngayong month of June. At talaga namang last week nga, naptunghayan naman natin yung Unbound, yung
Yes,
art
yung
exhibition
Unbound,
po
art
ng
exhibit.
Filipino artists here in Baharin. At
Yes.
ngayon nga, we are so happy to have, this is our second coverage na.
Second
Mama
coverage
Biba.
dito sa Baharing Cultural Hall.
Oo, last year nga nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataong makover din yung isang concert na naganap,
Yes.
which is the Rondalia.
Rondalia.
At ngayon naman, isa na naman pong at Filipino talents ang inimbitahan ng Philippine Embassy to have their concert here sa Cultural Hall. Ito nga po ang Lakbay Guitar Duo.
Yes, acoustic.
Yes,
Diba?
correct. At dalawang magigitara to.
Dalawa,
Oo, isang man at isang female. At
Yes.
we're so excited na makasama natin sila later on.
I think
diba?
this is the last part ng
Last-
concert nila.
Oo.
Kasi last time, nung isang araw yata,
Nandun sila sa Lulu.
Yan, nasa Lulu sila.
Hypermarket sa Jufair
yes,
Mall.
and then nagkaroon din ng socializing with the
Yes.
with Philippine Embassy,
Oo.
which is sa Crown Plaza, Diplomat.
Diplomat
Yes,
Radisson
Radisson
Blu.
Sas.
Yes. At syempre pa, ito nga po yung kanilang yung kanilang concert mismo dito pa sa Cultural Hall.
Bahrain Cultural Hall,
Oo.
mga
At
kasansi.
talagang makikita na naman natin ito nating mga kababayan na manunood at talagang suot na naman nila ang kanilang mga Filipinian at business attire tonight, di ba?
Ang mga barong Tagalog,
Oo,
naglabasan na
naglabasan na.
I must remember when during Rondalia time
Oo.
last year, di ba? Iba't ibang mga barong
Yes.
lumabas, mga
Oo.
nakasaya, at saka yung punuelo ng mga bawat babae.
Correct.
Ang gaganda.
Siyempre, iconic din yung suot natin noon. Alam mo yun? Na-miss ko yung kumot. Ayun,
Kaya
suot.
nga eh.
Ayan, di ba?
I wish mo isuot pa natin siya, no?
Kaya lang nga, siyempre, hindi natin alam kung kailan naman natin masusuot yun ulit, Mama Biba.
Oo.
We'll see, di ba?
Oo, pero baka maging memorabilia
Correct.
na yun.
Oo.
Kasi one of the iconic,
Oo,
no? Doon tayo
talaga.
nakilala.
Correct. At syempre pa, may iba't iba din tayong mga visitors na dumarating ngayon, which is yung mga diplomatic personnels. Yes, so syempre kasama natin yung mga taga Brunei, di ba? Yung
ang
mga
Malaysia, ang Thailand.
Oo, at talagang
And I'm very proud na ang sumasalubong talaga is yung ating ambassador.
doon. Minsan talagang makakausap din natin siya later on. After the
Later.
concert, talaga namang special to mga kasansi na as we cover itong isa na namang patimpalak or concert na ibibigay sa atin ng for free, ha?
For free.
Oo,
Yes.
talaga.
Of course,
Yes.
dahil sa selebrasyon ng 127th
Yes.
Philippine Independence Day, inimbita sila ng ating ng Philippine Embassy
Oo.
para magtanghal.
Correct.
Dito ng libre.
Correct. At saka award-winning tong ating mga lakbay guitar duo na to, Mama Biba. May iba't iba silang awards na natanggap. At syempre pa naging finalist sila sa Pilipinas Got Talent Season 6.
Actually, binalikan ko nga before this event, pinuntahan ko yung YouTube nila.
Nakita mo, ang dami, di ba? Ang dami mga renditions.
mga renditions
Ang dami
nila.
mga versions
ang daming
na
versions. At saka, ang galing talaga.
Superb. Talaga exciting. Tapos, Mama Biba, mga kasansi, ito ngayon pang ating special coverage ngayong araw as we cover this 127 Philippine Independence Day, ang concert ng Lakbay Guitar Duo. Let's watch.
Your Excellencies, my colleagues in the Diplomatic Corps, Sharjah Affairs Nazira Haji Saini of the Embassy of Brunei, colleagues from the other ASEAN missions, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand, as well as our friend from the Consulate General of Ethiopia. Mr. Yusuf Yaqub Lori, Director of Information and Follow-up of the Capital Governorate, representatives from the Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities, or BACA, and from Gulf Air, led by Ms. Fatima Hamad, Sales Manager of Gulf Air. Partners of the embassy from the private sector and from civil society, mga minamahal kong kababayan, leaders and members of the Filipino community in the Kingdom of Bahrain, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. As we gather here this afternoon, I note that we are facing a sensitive and critical time in the region. The Philippines calls for the concerned countries to urgently de-escalate and to adopt maximum restraint. We support international and regional efforts to resolve the crisis through dialogue and diplomacy and to promote peace and stability in the Middle East. Sa aking mga kababayan, taus-puso po tayong mananalangin na mangibabaw ang kapayapaan at manatiling ligtas ang lahat ng mga Pilipino sa gitnang silangan, kasama na ang mga nandito sa kaharian ng Bahrain. This concert commemorates the 127th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence every June 12, which we mark valuing our kalayaan or freedom, looking forward to a bright kinabukasan or future for our country and its people, while learning lessons from our long and rich kasaysayan or history. That is the theme of our celebration: kalayaan, kinabukasan, kasaysayan. As we celebrate Philippine Independence Day this year, it is my hope that Filipinos at home and abroad, including all of you who are here in the Kingdom of Bahrain, remain committed to protecting the Philippines' hard-won freedom and to preserving our country's rich culture and heritage. The embassy is pleased this year to bring to Bahrain the Lakbay guitar duo who just came from Sweden, Norway, and Kenya, where they also performed at Philippine Independence Day celebrations. Their visit to Bahrain is made possible through the support of the Philippine National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the support of our strategic partner, Gulf Air. My sincere thanks to Ms. Seyna Sino and the rest of the Gulf Air team for assisting us and supporting us in this cultural project. I also wish to thank the Bahrain Authority for Culture and the Arts, or BACA, led by its president, His Excellency Sheikh Khalifa bin Ahmed Al Khalifa, for allowing us the use of this venue. And my appreciation also to the team of BACA who are here at the Cultural Hall for their assistance in ensuring that all the arrangements for the concert go well. To the Filipino Community Band, whom I am very proud of, thank you for once again collaborating with the embassy and contributing to our independence commemorative activities. To Mr. Marvin Medios and his crew at AudioQuest Productions, thank you for always making yourselves available to provide technical assistance to the embassy. To all other friends and partners of the embassy, thank you for your contributions to the success of this event. And of course, I also wish to acknowledge my ever-supportive husband, Gerard, who has been my pillar of strength and encouragement. To all my kababayans, binabati ko po kayo ng isang maligayang araw ng kalayaan. I also take this opportunity to thank you for all your support to the embassy's programs and activities during my tenure. The embassy looks forward to your continued cooperation and assistance in advancing our interests here in Bahrain. Please continue to be our partners in promoting the Philippines as a choice business, investment, and tourism destination. Lastly, they say that music is a language that is universal, transcending differences and enabling connections across boundaries. May this afternoon's concert showcasing Filipino talent also bring to all of you a message of love, peace, harmony, and hope amidst the challenges and difficult times confronting us today, especially in this region. Thank you all for your presence, for being one with us in celebrating Philippine Independence Day this year. Enjoy the show. Maraming salamat. Shukran. Mabuhay.
Thank you, Ambassador Luis.
The Lakbay Guitar Duo has performed across the Philippines and in the United Kingdom, Switzerland, Germany, the United States, the Netherlands, Japan, Korea, and most recently in Sweden, Norway, and Kenya. They won guitar ensemble competitions in Malaysia and in Japan in 2014 and 2015 respectively. They are also recipients of the Philippines Ani ng Dangal for Music Award in 2016 and were finalists in the Pilipinas Got Talent Season 6 in 2018. Tonight, they share their gift of music, singing songs of love, peace, and harmony through original Filipino and other compositions. The Lakbay Guitar Duo's performance this afternoon is divided into two parts. For part one, the group will be performing classical guitar favorites, Cariñosa, arranged by Florante Aguilar, Nais Ko by Ryan Cayabyab, Bohemian Rhapsody by Freddie Mercury, Hotel California by Don Fedler, and Diablo Rojo by Rodrigo E. Gabriel. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jeffrey Malazzo and Ms. Jennifer De Vera, the Lakbay Guitar Duos.
Yes, alright mga kasansi. Andito tayo Mama Viva sa first part ng concert ng
Yes,
Lakbay
at
Duo.
medyo very solemn at tahimik kasi nga syempre nagpe-perform na po ang Lakbay
Guitar Duo. So ngayon pinaperform nila yung kanilang mga karinyosa.
Yes.
Ayan na,
Okay.
karinyosa na tumutugtog na po mga
karinyosa
kasansi.
nila.
At talagang
At nag-i-enjoy yung mga kababayan
nag-i-enjoy ang
natin.
ating mga kababayan.
Yes, kung makikita nito, ang
crowd.
nagpapalakpakan sila.
Diba?
Proud na kundiman,
Oo.
karinyosa.
Correct. At talagang mga kasansi itong Lakbay Guitar Duo, very world class.
Yes,
Diba?
world class. Kasi
At ang dami
there
nilang
was-
pinuntang bansa, Mama Viva.
They was recognized in Europe, of course, in Southeast Asia.
yes.
And in fact, naging
Finalist
Oo,
sa Pilipinas Got Talent ng
Pilipinas Got
2019. So
Yes.
nakaka-proud naman, no? Tsaka ibang klase, yung talent nila talagang dinadala sila sa buong mundo
alam
to
mo,
perform.
minsan, Sam, masarap din pakinggan yung mga karinyosa.
Oo,
kundi
yung panglalabay, mga ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Ayan na. So yung mga kasansi, ini-enjoy natin ngayon their first part ng concert nila ngayon. At syempre, mapapakinggan din natin mamaya yung Filipino Community Band.
Yes, yung Filipino
Oo.
Community Band with
Yes.
their saxophone, trumpets.
Yes, sa
oo,
trumpets,
yung
di ba? Lahat naman. At syempre po kanina din nag-opening remarks ang ating Philippine Ambassador, si Madam Anne Halandoan
Halandoan
Luis. At talagang
Luis.
na-mention niya doon ang ating pagkakaisa. Dahil
Yes.
syempre may nararanasan tayong crisis
about
ngayon.
the crisis of
But
the
we-
region.
Yes.
Na sana, let's pray na
Correct.
maging solid lahat,
Oo,
maging tahimik.
At syempre,
with dialogues na rin.
Oo, at talagang as we celebrate the 127 years of Philippine independence, yung kapayapaan syempre. ang
Kapayapaan, world peace, harmony, and
Correct.
joy.
Ayun. So yung mga kasansi, ito ngayon yung pang ating coverage for the Lakbay Duo Concert.
Yes.
captivating performance by the Lakbay Guitar Duo. And that was just part 1 of our concert. We will be showcasing the musical talent of our kababayans here in Bahrain. We are pleased to have with us this afternoon the Filipino Community Band who will give us their rendition of some original Filipino compositions. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Filipino Community Band.
Alright, yes mga kasansi, ngayon naman we are hearing the sounds of Filipino Community Band.
Yes.
Talagang pinamusic nila ngayon, sinashowcase sila ngayon ang OPM.
OPM Ballad. Narinig na natin kanina
Oo.
yung Basil Valdez
Correct.
medley.
Rendition,
At yun
diba?
naman, ang,
Iba naman.
katulad kanina, yung unang-una nilang pinarelease.
Oo, yung Piliin Mo ang Pilipinas. So exciting mga kasansi, talaga nakakatuwa. We are so happy. At ito pa lang talaga napapaindak na nagpapalakpakan ng mga tao
Exactly.
for the Filipino Community Band.
Nag-enjoy yung mga tao at napakadami.
Oo.
Napuno nila ang Bahrain Cultural
Punong-puno,
Center.
siksikan talaga
Yes.
Mama Biba. Talagang we are so happy. At syempre natapos na rin po yung first part ng concert naman nung Lakbay
Yung
Guitar
Lakbay
Duo.
Guitar Duo.
Yes.
Yes, right now I'm very
Oo.
glad and happy kasi na-pictures ang mga ang Filipino Community
Oo.
Band.
Tsaka saya nila, no?
Oo.
Ikaw,
With their own
mahilig ka ba
instruments.
mag-trumpet or saxophone?
Oh yes,
Talaga?
mga violin,
Oo.
mga ganyan. Uy, right now,
Ito naman.
ibigay yung ating banda.
Oo, yes! Maganda. Kasiyahan ang tunay na pagmamahalan. Ay, mararamdaman. Oo, nagkakantahan po at nagsasayawan yung ating mga kababayan dito sa Cultural Hall.
Yes.
Say hi! Kaway guys! Ayan na! Hindi tayo pag-isayo mo. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa ingat ng panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sumunod ka sa ingat ng panahon. Makisama, mag-enjoy ka. Ngayon, noon natin pa kaya sundin masasayang awitin nalalapat na tangkilikin. Yes! Masaya, di ba? Kaya naman mga kasansi, let's enjoy the night!
Salamat!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Filipino Community Band. Let's give them another round of applause. And now, for another exciting performance, please join me in welcoming back on stage the Lakbay Guitar Duo.
Thank you so much. Ang galing po ng Filipino Community Band dito sa Bahrain. Palakpakan po natin ulit sila. So mag-start po kami. We're going to start with and this iconic Filipino song by the Eraserheads. Yes, ang huling El Bimbo. This was arranged by Jeffrey Malaso in the style of Pachelbel, Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, and Barrios, and of course the Eraserheads. So I hope you enjoy this one.
Alright, yes mga kasansi, nandito tayo sa second part ng concert ng Lakbay Guitar Duo.
So,
Di ba?
it's a second part na ng kanilang
Oo.
performing for tonight.
Yes.
Diba?
Ano ba yung napakinggan mong music ngayon na ginawa nila?
Kanina na, yung ano ba yun? Yung parang sa Eraserheads?
Yes! Yung, ano bang kanta yun? Parang talaga nakaka-reminisce tayo sa mga OPM music, di ba?
Para luman.
Oo, para naman. Ayan. So yung mga kasansi, nag-i-enjoy pa rin pa ang ating mga kababayan dito po sa Kingdom of Bahrain para sa concert ng Lakbay Guitar Duo. Nakakatuwa, Mama Biban.
And I think lalabas uli yata ang Filipino Community Band.
At talagang ano nila, kinoment nila, binati nila kasi maganda daw yung mga rendition music ng ng Filipino Community Band. Talaga nakakatuwa naman mga kasansi at we're so really enjoyed po at talagang tunghayin nyo pa rin pang ating coverage.
Especially mentioned
Oo,
sila.
diba? Enjoy
Lakbay Guitar Duo.
Enjoy naman kanina, no? Nagtayo ng mga tao. Saya.
At nagulat kami, parang kami yung naging center of attractions tuloy.
Oo, nagtinginan sila. Nakakahinga tuloy naman.
Yes.
So yung mga kasansi, let's watch pa rin po ang coverage natin for the Lakbay Guitar Duo concert.
So now, just a brief background. So we're Lakbay Guitar Duo. We are part of the Philippine Madrigal Singers Company of Artists, or MADS Cosmic. We are surrounded by really, really great singers, world-renowned singers. And we're instrumentalists, so we were trained as a classical guitarist. But being surrounded by really great singers also encouraged us to learn singing as well. So we were also taught by them to sing. And they believed in us so we could perform it to you. So we're going to start with Minamahal Kita by Mike Velarde.
aking waring sinta, bakit tangi kang minamahal?
Ikaw lang ang tunay at siyang dahilan ng aking kaligayahan.
Minamahal,
And now, a song, a tribute to the host country, Bahrain. Thank you so much for welcoming us. If you know the song, please. مكتوب اسمك يا حبيبي الحورلاتي، مكتوب اسمي يا حبيبي يا رملتي، مكتوب اسمك يا حبيبي الحورلاتي، مكتوب اسمي يا حبيبي يا رملتي، وبكرة بنشق الدنيا القصص المشرقة بيبقى اسمك يا حبيبي واسمه بيمها، يبقى اسمك يا حبيبي واسمه بيمها، تريها ولا تعدني فيها تعال لياليها، وهديتني وردي فرجيتها لاصحابي، كبيتها بأصحابي زرعتها بيدي، هديتك مسهريها لكن بتداريها ولا تعلمني فيها تعال لياليها. We're going to play our last song. I would just like to say that no matter the waves, we are iisang bangka or one boat, one people. So this is a song about unity and resilience. So we would like to call on the Filipino Community Band once again.
Yes, alright mga kasansi, kasama natin isang influencer
Yes,
sa bahay na talagang gumagawa ng pangalan, mga
That's
kavipa.
very true. And she was one as a nano-influencer
Correct.
dito sa Bahrain.
Syempre,
None other than Alisa.
Oh, Lisa, kamusta?
Hello, thank you for having me here.
Happy Independence Day, ha?
Independence Day.
It's nice to see you here
Yan ang
naman.
araw ng kalayaan.
Bati ba ang ating mga kababayan?
Kamusta po kayo? Marhaba, mabuhay.
Alright, ako thank you so much ha, Alisa. Talagang happy to see you again ha. See you sa loob
Yes, so-
mamaya. Ha?
The first nano-influencer.
Yes, ang International Influencer Award.
Alisa.
Thank you. Alright mga kasansi, kasama natin. Ako, nag-iisa to ha. Ibang level to. Ang macro-influencer ng Bahrain at ng Filipinos
Yes,
dito.
congratulations.
Oo, kasama natin nag-iisang back-to-back king, Rachel!
Martinez.
How are you, Rachel?
I'm fine, thank you, guys. So, how are you, Kai?
Tsaka balita ko talagang lumiliit na.
Oo ba?
Oo.
Totoo.
Oo, talaga. Anong ginagawa?
Payat ka nga.
Ano ginagawa? Uy.
Oo. Yes. I remember a while ago,
Oo.
usap natin yung ang nano-influencer.
Nano-influencer.
And now,
Yes, si
of course,
macro-influencer naman.
back king or ang Bahrain Good Vibes King.
Yes,
si
at syempre pa-
Richard Martinez.
Chard, batiin natin ating mga kababayan for the independent.
Hello mga kabayan, Happy Independence Day 127. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa amin, Chris, for having me. Oh.
Yes naman, of course naman.
You're
Diba?
always welcome.
Lagi yan. Ako, huwag ka mawawala, second year na namin. Second year anniversary.
10 years na.
Ako, thank you so much.
Yes.
Talaga nga, magkita-kita pa rin tayo.
Yes.
Support each other.
Thank you so much, Charles. Thank you.
Ayan yung mga ano niya, social media. Ayan.
Yes.
I also call on Mr. Jeff Lyle P. Aragon, tour manager of the Lakbay Guitar Duo, for the plaque of appreciation. Thank you once again, the Lakbay Guitar Duo and Mr. Jeff Aragon. The embassy would like to extend its appreciation to all those who contributed to the success of this concert. First, the embassy is pleased to present certificates of appreciation to the members of the Filipino Community Band. Consul Brian Jess Baguio will read the text of the certificate. Thank you again, the Filipino Community Band. I call on stage Mr. Marvin Medios of AudioQuest Productions to receive the plaque of appreciation from Ambassador Luis. Thank you, Mr. Marvin Medios and your team at AudioQuest Productions. The plaque of appreciation for our strategic partner, Gulf Air, will be received by Ms. Fatima Hamad, Sales Manager of Gulf Air. Thank you for your support, Gulf Air. May I call on stage Mr. Hussein Abdali Abdullah, representing the Bahrain Authority for Culture and Antiquities, to receive the plaque of appreciation from Ambassador Luis. May I call on stage Mr. Yusuf Lori, Director of Information and Follow-up of the Capital Governorate, to present a special gift to Ambassador Anne Halandoan Luis.
Excellency always awarding everyone, so we have to award her. So now it became, she's the one who should deserve all this cheering and appreciation. So Your Excellency and distinguished guests, I'm very glad to attend this wonderful event, and this is an occasion where I can and everyone can appreciate your hard work and doing everything for your community, and you're leading the passion and all the responsibilities. How you carry it is inspiring to everyone. So let me give you a small thing from everyone. Thank you so much.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, mga kababayan, we have come to the end of our program. Thank you for joining us in this concert and for being a part of our celebration of the 127th proclamation of the Philippine independence. Your presence made our event even more memorable and successful. When you leave the hall, please don't forget to pass by the table where we were handing out some Philippine products for you to taste and enjoy.
Pasalamatan naman natin Mama Biba, nakakatuwa.
Yes.
At may sponsors, di
Opo,
ba?
ang
Mamaya may pamimigay tayong mga goods from Lucky Me, Pure Foods, saka ang 45 Star.
yes, di ba? Ang Pure Foods Corned Beef. Thank you so much.
Pinoy na Pinoy itong mga kasansi at talaga nagpapasalamat tayo sa mga magdidistribute.
It's a proudly
talaga.
Filipino product, mga
Correct.
kasansi.
Talaga namang maraming salamat. Love the Philippines.
Love, love, love!
Yon, ako talaga naman mga kasansi, we've enjoyed talaga, 'di ba? Talaga ngayon busy na sila for pictorial.
Yes, mga kasansi, it's end of the it's end part of the program, now.
Program.
Now everyone is busy now for meet and greets. Of course,
Yes.
Victoria, so for saying hi to all the diplomats who's attended here at Bahrain Cultural.
Talaga nag-enjoy naman, 'di ba, Mama Biba?
Yes,
Talagang
very.
we are so proud. At syempre, kino-comment natin ang Filipino community band na magkaroon ng sariling concert. Why not,
Why
di ba?
not? Oo, the
Oo.
Filipino community band.
Shoutout sa ating mga Filipino community band dyan. Ako, ihandaan nyo na ang music ninyo. Nako, aarangkada na yan
I think it will be more easy because all of them are
Here dito sa
nandito
Bahrain.
sila sa Bahrain.
Oo, talagang we're so happy at talagang nakakatawa po mga kasansi ang ating mga kababayan dito po sa Bahrain. Pagdating sa music talaga.
Correct.
Oo, hindi lang sa arts, pati na rin sa music.
Yes, exactly. Oo. So, ayan na nga po ang mga diplomats right now, ang ating mga VIP
Yes,
visitors,
they
of
have
course,
the picture.
ang Lakbay Guitar Duo, the Filipino Community Band are taking a pictures now with some of the attendees.
Correct. So, yon. All right, yes, mga kasansi, we are here now together with the Director for Information and Follow-up of Kingdom of Capital Governorate.
I'm happy to see again Mr.
Yes,
Yusef
long
Lori.
time, Sir Yusef. How are you, Sir Yusef?
Very happy, especially after seeing you and attending such beautiful event in Bahrain.
Have you enjoyed the program, sir?
Very much. Filipino community everywhere, they are very talented. So today we're celebrating the talent. I feel like every Filipino has something hidden. Today we show it, so it's a very nice event to be honest. We enjoy very yes.
And of course, we are so happy that you are being here, forever supportive in the Filipino community.
Filipino community.
Philippine Embassy, of course. So thank you so much, Sir Yusef. You have some message to our kababayan?
First of all, thank you so much for always covering these events, and I'd like to congratulate the Filipino community in Bahrain for this nice occasion. And also thanks to Embassy and all people who work very hard for having these events in Bahrain. And thank you so much and congratulations.
All right. Thank you so much, Sir Yusef. Mr. Yusef Lori. All right. Yes, kasama natin. Naku, nag-enjoy tayo kanina, Mama Viva.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, meron pala talagang hidden na jewel ang Bahrain about the Filipino
community band. Siyempre, pag kino-comment natin, magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang concert. Ayan, kasama natin ang ating band leader dito, si Sir Neil. Hi, Sir Neil. How are you po?
Good. We're good.
Ang galing naman ng nyo, rendition kanina, ha?
Thank you. Nag-enjoy rin kami kasi nakita namin ng mga tao nag-enjoy. So, it makes us, mas doble yung joy namin na nakita namin na nag-enjoy yung mga tao.
Nakita nyo bang sumasayaw kami doon?
Nakita yung sumasayaw doon? Kanina din.
Ginanahan kami lalo tumugtog.
Wow. Kasi importante sa mga musicians na nag-enjoy
napapasaba yung audience. So, sila nagbo-boost lalo.
Whether duo or group or solo performer, pag nakita talaga nila, is talagang binibigay talaga nila yung best nila.
Oo,
Exactly. Doon kami kumuha ng energy para, siyempre, nakakapagod din tumugtog pero once na nakita namin na nag-enjoy yung mga tao, mas sumisigla kami lalo.
Actually, it's a quiet coverage lang talaga.
Kanina,
But yung tinugtog nyo, it's a very meaningful sa amin yun.
Kasi madalas namin kinakanta
yun.
yun.
Yun ang madalas namin kinakanta. And most of the audience they know us very well na podcasters. So biglang umilaw.
Tapos napasayaw na kami lahat. Nag-enjoy na. So ilang years na ba ang Filipino community band?
think 3 years.
3 years pa lang. So last year yung anak mo nag-drum dito, ha?
2 years ago.
Oo, 2 years ago. Ayun. Nakakatuwa talagang music, talaga, in heart pa rin sa pamilya nila. So, in-invite mo naman ang Filipino community natin dito, syempre to support the Filipino Community Band.
Yes, ini-invite ko po. Calling ko sa mga Filipino communities, lahat ng Pilipino. Pag mayroon na po kami performance ng Filipino Community Band, please support po. Hindi lang kami, kundi lahat po ng mga Filipino org na nagpa-perform, na may mga event, supportahan po natin. Mga kababayan natin, mga kapwa natin Pilipino.
Yes,
Talagang
alright.
open kayo na mag-join yung ating mga kababayan na may mga music talents, no?
Yes.
Pwede
Kontakin
mag-join.
niyo po ako. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa Filipino Community Band, welcome po kayo.
May Facebook page ba or Instagram?
So far, wala pa. Pero we are planning na magkaroon.
Sooner. Tsaka nire-recommend talaga natin magkaroon ng concert ng Filipino Community Band. For sure.
Sige, game kami dyan.
Yeah, wow. Once again, the band leader of Filipino Community Band, Mr. Neil.
Thank you so much, Sir Neil.
Shout out sa founder at sa band leader namin talaga na nag-for good na sa Pilipinas.
For
Sir
good
Obet,
na.
Sir Obet Abadines yan.
Oh,
Obet.
ayun Sir Obet.
Sir Obet, hello po. Shout out. Say thank you, ha, sa pag-iwan ng
Of course.
legacy na to. Legacy na to ni Sir Obet.
Even you are away, your legacy are lives on.
Correct. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Neil, of Filipino Community Band here in Bahrain.
Yes.
Alright, mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon, the very energetic, ang ganyan talagang month-long celebration ng ating Philippine Independence, di ba, Mama Viva?
Yes, and of course,
Oo.
another history na naman to. Kasi after the success of Rondalia last year,
Ngayon naman,
now, of
ang
course,
Lakbay
the
Guitar
Lakbay
Duo, nadala
Guitar
niya dito.
Duo.
Please welcome mga kasansi, mga kababayan, our honorable ambassador, Madam
Hannah Alandon Lois.
Hi, Madam.
Hello po.
Sam and Chris, maligayang araw ng kasarinlan.
Ako, Madam, talagang busy-busy kayo this month of June, ha?
Yes, of course, we are celebrating the 127th anniversary of the proclamation of Philippine independence, June 12, but the activities that we have is month-long. And we just finished the Lakbay Duo concert, Lakbay Guitar Duo, dito sa Cultural Hall, na made possible through our collaboration with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and with the support of Gulf Air. And I'm glad na kasama kayo dun sa mga hundreds of members of the Filipino community dito sa Kingdom of Bahrain na nakapanood. I hope nagustuhan ninyo.
We really enjoyed po. Nagsasayaw nga kami doon na Ayun po.
Nag nga kami kasi during our actually it's a quick coverage lang.
Quiet
Biglang
lang talaga.
tugtog yung madalas namin kinakanta.
Kanta of.
And most of the people here, they don't
Nagsasayaw.
ask.
I think that was very good, no? And so it wasn't only the Lakbay Guitar Duo, but we were also able to showcase our home-based talent, yung Filipino Community Band. And they're Filipinos based here sa Bahrain. And I also thank them. They did a very good rendition of the Bahrain and Philippine national anthems and were able to give us an intermission number na yung last medley of VST songs.
Sobrang saya.
Popular.
Comment nga namin, Amba, dapat magkaroon sila ng sariling concert, no?
Yes. So you should encourage them. And kailangan sila suportahan. And of course, if the community is interested and willing to support them, why not?
Why not? Sariling atin dito, di ba?
And also the Magala Choir.
Yes po. Yes, na magalakwa.
They also performed at our National Day reception the other night. They also did a very good a cappella of the Bahrain and Philippine national anthems and everyone was impressed. So, my point is that marami tayong talent sa Filipino community. World class.
World class.
Din pong na-cover din natin yung mga arts din po sa Bahrain Financial Harbor.
Yes. Artists, all kinds of artists, no? So very talented.
At talaga po nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo, Amba, kasi we are so showcasing this time na online, napapalabas sa aming podcast yung mga ganitong mga talents ng Filipino.
I hope
We are so happy.
talaga.
Tuloy-tuloy talaga.
Of course.
Yan, so.
2023, the embassy was able to bring the Nightingales.
Nightingale.
And then last year was Filipiniana Rondalia. And then this year we're proud na nadala natin yung Lakbay Guitar Duo.
Pakita nyo naman sa performance how good they are.
Oo, ang galing talaga.
Mapa Kundiman, Mapa OPM, yes.
Lahat ng klaseng music.
Yes, lahat. Kung ang Pilipina rin Dahlia, pinilay nila ang Disney songs din.
So, Beatles, medleys. Sila naman mga classical music, guitar
Classical.
music, and some contemporary songs.
Yes po.
Yes.
So yun ang ba? So any message po sa ating mga kababayan, of course, our fellow OFWs po dito sa Kingdom of Bahrain?
Well, gaya na nung aking pambungad ng salita, binanggit ko na I know that at this time we face a very sensitive and critical period because may kaguluhan. Malayo man dito sa Kingdom of Bahrain, pero it's in the same region, the Middle East. And we hope that it will not escalate. We hope that the countries concerned will discuss on the table and so that peace and stability will be achieved, and ipinagdadasal natin ang kaligtasan ng lahat ng mga Pilipino sa Middle East, kasama na yung nandito sa Bahrain. Ang aking abiso to be calm, to remain calm, be vigilant, be aware of what's happening in your surroundings, monitor the news, but rely only on official news, official sources of information. And please monitor the embassy social media pages para for in case there are any news and announcements, and keep safe.
So, thank you so much, Amba. Talagang busy pa. Talagang may program pa yata si Amba after this.
And what I really admire to Amba, hindi lang siya talaga magaling na leader. But of course, she's a good discoverer ng mga talents.
Yes.
Diyan ang Rondalia, diyan ang Lakbay Diwa. Di ba?
Talagang very
Thank you so much, Amba.
high patronage po kami sa inyo, Amba.
Very much for the support of Sam and Chris podcast. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Once again, mga kababayan, mga kasansi, Madam Ann Alando, our Philippine Ambassador. Thank you so much, Madam.
Thank you po, Madam. Thank you.
Alright, yes, mga kasansi, kasama natin, napaka-world class nito, Mama V.
World class.
Ibang levels. Nakakatuwa naman talagang wini-welcome nila natin sila dito sa Bahrain. Let's welcome ang ating lakbay guitar duo.
Yes, ang galing.
Ang galing ninyo ha, grabe ha.
Mapa Classic, Mapa OPM. Yes.
Ibang level, no? Para talaga nanonood din tayo ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
Pilipinas Got Talent. In fact, naging finalist sila.
Final sila noong 2019. Talaga, kamusta naman kahit welcome sa Bahrain?
Mabuti po at napakainit ng pagtanggap sa amin ng mga taga-Bahrain, mga Pilipino sa Bahrain. At happy ako na kapag-celebrate ako with you ng 127th Philippine Independence Celebration.
And of course, Bahrain welcoming you also. In fact, parang 2 months pa lang narinig namin yung pagdating
guitar
ninyo.
duo. Talagang inaabangan to ng ating mga kababayan. Talagang nag-enjoy tayo kanina. Super
kanina.
Sa mga renditions nila, di ba? No?
Sobra, kasi alam mo, alam mo naman ng mga musicians,
correct,
nung nakikita nila yung mga audience na medyo sumasabay sa kanta, tugtugan, lalong gumagana sila, no?
Correct.
Parang ang hirap yung kasi syempre, yung mga lagi mga instruments.
Correct.
Kita mo, may mga ganun-ganun pa, di ba?
May pagyakap, one guitar. Diba?
Yes.
At talaga nabalita natin, you are a couple, diba? You are a couple. So meron kayong anak din.
Wala po.
Wala
For
pa.
sure, yung anak niya musician din.
Siguro.
Ako malamang.
Sana hindi.
Oo, pero we're so...
Why not, di ba?
Hindi, pwede naman.
Hindi, napaka-busy kasi nila. Around the world, nagtutour sila para mag ng concert.
Na-recognize din sila, I guess, sa Malaysia.
Yes po, until 2014.
Awards na rin.
Yes. Saka, ano pa lang, 3 months pa lang kasi.
Wala. May ibubuko ba?
Guitar na kaya nahulog.
Ano? Diyos ko, may ko na.
Sayang naman. Ayan ako. Siyempre, we are so happy to have you here sa Bahrain. Talagang batiin niyo muna yung ating mga kababayan.
Hello po sa mga Pilipino na nasa Bahrain. Hello po sa inyo. Sana ma-meet po namin kayo pag bumalik kami or any artist ng Philippine Madrigal Singers Company of Artists. So, nagpapadala po sila.
There also belongs to Madrigals.
Philippine Madrigals, yes.
Company of Artists.
Yan, so, yan, nagpapadala po palagi ng artist sa iba't ibang sa ibang parte ng mundo, yung Philippine Madrigal Singers Company of Artists para i-promote po yung Filipino music tsaka yung talent po ng mga Pilipino.
So ilang years na ba kayo sa Madrigal?
Recently lang po, 2018.
Recently lang yan ha. Iba na.
Ilan taon na silang couple?
Kung taon na ba kayong couple?
Ilang taon?
Ayun. Ay, nagulaan pa. Hindi alam. Hindi alam. Baka sabihin ni Ate Gay, mali. Oh, ilang years na ba?
9 years.
Ay,
Wow! And getting
Tama.
stronger, di ba?
9 years na kaming kasal.
Nagaling naman.
Sooner, mabibiyayaan na
Oo
kayo ng
naman.
baby.
We are so
Yes.
praying for that naman. Thank you so much to Lakbay Guitar Duo. Talagang we are so happy to have you here po sa Kingdom of Bahrain.
Yes.
Thank you so much once again mga kasansi, mga kababayan. Lakbay Guitar Duo. Thank you. At syempre shoutout sa manager niyo.
Oh, shout out.
Joshua. Ayan.
Asan ko siya? Yes, si Joshua. Oh. Akala ko kanina si Alden.
Akala ko din gumaganon din.
Oo. Akala ko si Alden at saka si Yul Servo.
Ay!
Correct.
Oo, mukha. Ayan na.
Check interview
Oo.
po sa Philippines.
Yes, of course.
Singer ka rin ba, sir?
Ano po, sa admin lang po ako.
Sa
Kumakanta.
admin.
Hindi.
O hindi rin ako kumakanta eh.
So, ayun po, maraming salamat po ulit sa mga sumuporta po sa Lakbay Guitar Duo dito sa Bahrain. So, hopefully po makabalik po tayo to bring more artists na mapanood nyo po dito sa country of Bahrain. So, hopefully po, see you soon guys. Maraming salamat po ulit. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you so
Thank you so much. Once again, the manager of Lakbay Guitar Duo, Josh.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
all the
Thank you so much. Alright mga kasansi, it's a blast Mama Biba. Nag-enjoy ka ba sa concert?
Sobra, ang galing.
Diba? Ang galing.
Lakbay Guitar
Guitar
Duo
Duo.
at ng Filipino Community Band.
Dito po sa Bahrain. It's so world class talaga yung pinakita ng ating mga performers ngayong araw, di ba?
Siyempre. Of course, I would like to thank to Philippine Embassy
Yes.
na in-honor nilang maging guest ang Filipino
Oo,
Community Band.
Mas, ano talaga, lalong sumaya yung concert nung nag-perform ang community band.
Kasi
Diba?
napaka-medyo konting
Yes.
classical eh.
Tsaka
Pero automatic
OPM talaga.
Tumayo yung mga tao.
At ang saya.
Sumayaw at syempre, nireminis nila yung kanta ng BST.
Yes. At syempre nagpapasalamat talaga tayo sa Philippine Embassy. And of course, sa Lakbay Guitar Duo na talagang nagkaroon ng time na namasyal dito sa Bahrain. And of course, ang Gulf Air, thank you so much.
Yes, ang
diba?
Gulf Air.
For this
Salamat.
possible. Talagang as we celebrate the 127 Philippine Independence, di ba Mama Biba, na nandito may hashtag sila, hashtag Kalayaan 2025. Hashtag patuloy sa pagtuklas.
Hashtag make
It
history.
historic.
Yes.
Talagang with this hashtag talagang we are so glad at happy na nakaabot natin, natutungayan natin ang 127 years
Ang daming
ng Philippine
attendees,
Independence. So,
Maraming
ang dami.
attendees. With
Oo.
all Filipinos who's Filipina married to
Yes.
foreigners, and of course,
Correct.
may mga foreigners din na mga bisita.
Oo, at saka talagang yung ibang mga Filipino vloggers natin,
Oo.
nakita din natin sa loob at talagang nag-enjoy din sa concert na to. It's so happy.
Absolutely, yes.
Oo, talagang enjoy pa tayo mga kasansi. At syempre pa, abangan nyo naman ang isa nating coverage ulit. Oo, di ba? Masusunod na po yung Himig Kalayaan 2025. At syempre ang Miss Philippines Bahrain.
Yes, dito rin po yan sa Cultural Hall.
Oo, magaganap po yan dito next week. At syempre pa, talagang we are so happy and glad mga kasansi na nakasama natin kayo ngayon. At syempre, please do like, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts. Ano po ang ating Facebook page.
Ang ating YouTube.
Ang ating pong Instagram.
At ang ating TikTok.
Yes, and of course, Mama Biba.
Yes mga kasansi, if you are looking for any STC line like SIM Broadband, Voice SIM, 5G and Fiber, please contact 3304043 and all the legit agents from STC will deliver your request at your doorsteps.
Yes naman, maraming salamat. Share pa, Happy Independence Day.
Yes.
Oo, at syempre talaga namang we are praying pa rin po na malampasan ang crisis natin ngayon dito sa
Yes,
Middle East.
opo.
We are praying na maging mapayapa at maging matapos na, di ba?
That's very true. Siyempre, as per the advice mga kasansi, please remain calm, maging
Yes.
relax po tayo kasi wala naman po talagang banta pa dito sa ating lugar.
Talaga namang sinisigurado yung security. Alam naman natin na balita sa Kingdom of Bahrain na walang mangyayaring masama sa Bahrain.
And of course, syempre, pinire-remind ko lang po sa inyo yung mga kakalat ng mga fake news.
Oo,
about
iwasan
sa Bahrain.
natin.
Bawal na bawal po
Bawal na
yan.
bawal.
It will be goes to a case or a big offense for them.
Kaya, naku, thank you so much. Siyempre pa, pasalamatan natin ang sponsor ng ating
Yes.
Barong na nagmula po sa Manila, Philippines, kay Madam Sally Florentino. Thank you so much,
Thank
Madam.
you so much, Madam Sally.
Yes, at syempre shoutout po sa mga office staff ni Madam, si Camille, hello Camille, and Glyce, na hello, at saka yung ibang mga staff po
Yes,
dyan.
see you soon.
See you soon ha. At ang ganda, at syempre pa, yung ating production, ang ganda ng mga suot nila ha. Ito yan.
Yes.
Pa-picture sila kanina. Super ganda.
So nice.
Oo, at talagang happy tayo mga kasansi, at thank you so much po sa inyong pag-support.
Yes.
Alright, so meron ka pa bang papatiin, Mama Viva?
Yes, mga kasansi, of course. Once again, happy 27th Independence Day sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
And maraming salamat sa pumunta at sa nanood. Of course, thank you so much to Lakbay Guitar Duo, to the Filipino Community Band.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. Pinasaya nyo ang events. And of course, mga kasansi, please do follow and subscribe us. Don't forget that.
Yes, shukran! Alright, this has been Sam
And Chris, the podcast.